Hello, Carol here with another Everspruce tips and tricks video. Today I'm going to talk about the new and improved tag feature on the latest release of the Everspruce app. Before we start talking about tags, I wanted to ask you to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you get notifications when my next video comes out. This not only helps you, but it helps us get discovered by more people who love to declutter and get organized. Now let's talk about tags. So what are tags? Tags are used in the Everspruce app to help you identify items that aren't located in the same box or area. For example, you could have a tag that you labeled holiday, and it could be Halloween decorations, Christmas decorations, but they aren't in the same box. So you can search for items with your tag. Or you can use a tag that is labeled card that is a hobby, a card collection. So that would help you identify where all your cards are located in the Everspruce app. So some other tag ideas that I've seen other Everspruce users use is jewelry, water sports, winter, camping gear. It goes on and on. So, you use the tag words that are helpful for you to remember, or how you like to categorize things in your organization system. So you can even use multiple tags and get in more detail. So you can do camping with winter, camping for summer. So it goes on and on. You can be really creative and get really down to details with using the tag feature on the Everspruce app. So for my example, I'm going to open up the Everspruce app, and we're going to be on the home page, and then I'm going to click edit tags on the upper right corner here, and then I'm going to click camping, and then I'm going to hit the back button on the upper left, and then I can scroll and see all the items I have with the tag camping. I can go through everything and pull stuff I need for maybe an upcoming camping trip. I can go through it and edit things that are old and I need to get rid of, or when I'm planning for an upcoming trip, I can see what I have and maybe things I need to go get before my camping trip. So instead of going through a bunch of boxes and trying to figure everything out, I have everything on my phone in my app of all my camping stuff by using the tag feature. So it's really helpful. It keeps you organized, and you don't have to go through a bunch of stuff and figure everything out and get stressed out. It's all organized in the Everspruce app. So next, I'm going to show you how to create a tag. So we're going to go back into the Everspruce app. I'm going to scroll and look for an item I want to put a tag associated with it. So let's use the ukulele. So we're going to go to the middle section, and where it says tags, I'm going to hit the plus sign, and then I'm going to create a new tag on the upper left corner here, and let's say music will be my tag word. I'm going to click OK. So now you can see music has been created as a tag. I hit back, and then here with my ukulele item under tags, music has been created with it, and then I can create another tag with it. So you can do multiple and then create a new tag, instrument. Click OK, and then I scroll down, an instrument now, and hit back. So music and instrument is now associated with this item in the Everspruce app. So super easy. Now when I search, on the bottom right corner, click the search feature, and I go to edit tags. I'm going to click music and instrument, click search, go back to search, and the ukulele pops up. So that helps me identify where this item is by using the tag feature. I can see everything that I have that it's under these two categories. So I have another little quick trick you can use when you're using the tag feature. So you have your item, mine is the instrument and music tag that I've just demonstrated for you, and my ukulele pops up under these two tag item words. And so if you want to start looking for other things but you don't want to go back to edit tags, clear out the words that you've used, you can simply just click on the word and hit clear, and then you go back to your home screen, and then you can do another search using the tags. So that's just a little trick when you're using the Everspruce app to quickly start looking for other things. As you can see, using the tag feature in the Everspruce app is really quick, easy, and so flexible with anybody's organizing system. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and happy organizing. Thanks for watching my Everspruce Tips and Tricks video. For more tips and tricks videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow Everspruce on Instagram and download the Everspruce app in the App Store. Links down below.